This is what 4,857 miles on the road does to a vehicle on a road trip from Central Florida to Canada and back. Don't know if somebody kicked this or it fell in or what happened. Look like it's broken. All the tabs are broken inside here. See, there's a scuff mark here. Okay, so here's the fog light that got displaced. Here's the orientation. Right, these two tabs go into a slot on the bumper, which I will show you. And this slot I don't think is in use. This one is the one that is attached with a screw onto the bumper. And this is the one that broke. So this is the piece that broke off when something hit it. So to fix that, it goes on like this, like that. So what I did, I purchased some JB weld, plastic weld. It's quick setting, set time in 5 minutes, cures in 1 hour. So I'm going to mix some of this. It comes in a tube, looks like this. So you just twist this off and then you squeeze equal amounts onto a piece of cardboard and you mix it. They were actually good enough to provide a small little stick to mix it. You mix it thoroughly and then you apply it. Right, the surface must be clean, free from any dust or contaminants, and then leave it to set, and hopefully it should set over an hour. I'll probably leave it for a few hours and then I'll try to reassemble it, and hopefully that will make it work. So here I'm going to replace the fog light. As you can see, I put some sealant all around it, the broken tab on the side a little bit, and in the back. It seems strong enough. I guess time will tell. So in order to get access to the screw that you mount it on, see, the two tabs fit inside this slot here. Screw that goes in right there from the inside. So you need to take out the shield and then screw in, attach here, and then screw in this one. The bottom tab doesn't do anything, just sits there, it seems. Alright, and then you put this piece on, and then you put the decorative chrome ring on top of it, and that finishes the job. Don't forget to connect the connector. Right, of course you do this first. Alright, so okay, so to install the fog light, instead of taking off the shield by the tire on this side, I remove the 4 bolts on the here from this piece of the shield. So there's one in front and 3 in the back over here. That takes this piece off. Alright, and from here you could reach to put the fog light in, take it up, clip it on to the harness, and then slot it in here, and then take the small silver screw, colored screw, and screw it in on this part here. Alright, and then assemble your trim and the ring and test it, and you should be good. And then put everything back. So pretty simple when you know how. Alright, any questions, let me know.